Okay, fellow crafters, for this craft today, you're going to need 2 of these from the Dollar Tree. They are snow globe makers, water globes, but we're not going to make water globes. You're going to need one of these little hats or a hat of your choice. You're going to need some felt, and you're going to need some kind of little items to put inside of these, and 1 packet of snow. Now, all of these things are from the Dollar Tree. I also have a little candle ring. It's from the Dollar Tree. Some glue, and that's it. Now, here's another version that I'm going to do with one of these plastic bowls from the Dollar Tree, plastic plate, and one of the snow globes, and a candle ring. So let's get started. Okay, I've already taken the lid off of this one and pried this one open. You'll need a knife to kind of pry it open. And for the bottom one, we're going to leave the cap on. Well, you could leave it on or take it off, either way. But the top one, we're gonna leave the cap off so that it fits better on this. Because if you have this on, you see, it doesn't fit well, but like this it will. These little plastic caps are going to be the base that you're going to glue your whatever items you have to put inside. I'm going to use the little car and truck. I'm going to put one on each and just use whatever glue you have. Then you're going to take your sparkly snow, pour it in your globe, put your item inside, and test and see if your snow is right. I think I've got too much. Just do it a couple times until you get the right amount. I still want my little truck wheels and stuff to show, but I also want it enough that you could shake it around. So now we're just going to glue one on top of the other. So we have this so far. Now for my scarf, you could get a piece of cloth and, you know, wrap it around the neck and tie a little knot. I didn't have anything really I could use, so I cut this scarf out of some scrap felt, and then I cut an extra little piece to go across it. So that's what I'm going to put on mine. Okay, now you can choose to glue this ring on or just set your item on there. You also can put the cap on the bottom one, which I'm going to do to give it a little bit more height to lift it away from all these leaves. Okay, now here we have it with my little scarf on. Now you're going to take one of these hats. This was a little pack you got of them for 4th of July or something. And I just took the elastic off, took the staples out, took the band off. And for mine, whatever you have to decorate it up, you know, to make it look a little more festive, I took a piece of tulle, scrunched it up together, tied it in a little knot, cut off the ends. So I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to take some of this greenery off of my base, off of my candle ring, and glue to the side, maybe to the front. But anyway, I'm going to glue this hat on, put the ring on, and we're almost done. But you could put the ring on and see where are the leaves and whatnot in your way, and cut those off to use to decorate your hat. Because you still want to be able to see your little scene inside. Now remember, you can put anything inside. You could put little people, you could put Christmas trees, you could put little tiny cars, whatever you have. I had looked through my bags of toys to see if I had some little cute things. And I'm going to do another version of this. I added a couple little dogs, and I'll show you that one in a second. So let me finish this one up. Okay, I've got the hat on. And you don't have to decorate the hat with things from your ring. You could put a little bow on it, or a big bow, which is actually kind of cute. I might just put a leaf in that big bow. Okay, for this one, I have a little flocked Santa that I'm going to stand up in the top, and I'm going to put a little scene in the bottom with that same car and RV. And then I have a couple little toys. I've got a little rabbit and a little dog I was going to stick in there and put some snow. So let me stick this all together and I'll show you how that one comes out. And remember, this is just one of the globes, one of these plastic bowls and plastic plate. They come in packs, like 10 or something. You put the scene in the bottom, glue that up in there, glue the other one on top, the ring in the center. Okay, here is the second version. So I got my little flock Santa in there with the snow. And then I've got this little scene at the bottom. And I could have actually, if you do it like this, put more snow than you think, because I didn't realize it would slide down. You know, I was thinking this would touch, the glue would be right to the side, but no, a lot of the snow fell down in this edge, so there's not as much snow. But anyway, this is another version. You could put a little light inside. Same with the snowman. You could use those battery operated lights, melt the hole in the back and put a couple lights inside of there. But that's something to get you started. You're crafty people, that's why you're here. So you'll probably improve on it and find some really cute ways to jazz it up. Okay, so I wasn't so sure about the greenery around the center. I felt like it took away so much from the bottom, the little scene at the bottom. So I was just going to show you that this was a possibility too. I put some of that tulle around the center. Again, a red probably would have been a good color to make it really pop, or even a green. But I had the white just sitting out here, so I went ahead and tried it just for looks, and I like it. In fact, I kind of like the white because it goes with all the snow. But anyway, there's another option for you. That's it for today. I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.